We will likely be recommending a sentence of between 20 to 30 years when the court is ready to go to that hearing.
What's going on with the truckers? So there were so many people that were asking me for updates with the Rogel Monderos case for 110-year sentencing. Some people said he should have taken that plea deal, but now the DA is getting involved, and she believes that he deserves anywhere between 20 to 30 years. So she's going to be fighting for that process. What are your thoughts about this? Comment down below. I know this has been such a polarized case, but I just want to keep you guys updated because a lot of people are asking me. So I just want to let you guys know that's what's going on.
Resentencing process the same week the defendant was sentenced, so that the court could consider an alternative sentence that was not bound by mandatory sentencing structures. Given the conduct and in consultation with the victims and survivors, we will likely be recommending a sentence of between 20 to 30 years when the court is ready to go to that hearing.